ene egusu a yede mamu enne eya fofida a adwumayefo ankoya adwuma na die ntie ba asa ne se ene yo saje fo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah na woda ne birthday na ade nti na ma na basa Adom Kasee ama ne bofo akukrum Kwame Nkrumah museum akwa akodi nkomo na CPP mpenifo bi ede nsem bi atudwa die na omkan
liberation. And today, the great man who never dies is lying here in front of us. But he is alive in our hearts and his legacy lives on. He was a great African personality, a personality that was interested in the African, in the unity of Africa. Indeed, Kwame Nkrumah had a concept to unite Africa through trade, through the economy, through politics. He wanted a single currency for the whole of Africa, but we do not have it. We have struggled all over these years. If we look into our present world global economics today and politics, we see that the EU have the concept of Kwame Nkrumah's AU, a one currency, a trade amongst ourselves, but it has never come to pass. How have we honored Kwame Nkrumah as a nation? How have we looked after his legacy? What would Kwame Nkrumah have done in this economic doldrums that we are in? Kwame Nkrumah would have done it differently. Kwame Nkrumah under the CPP would have been more prudent than we are today. Kwame Nkrumah under the CPP would have industrialized more, created more jobs for our youth. Kwame Nkrumah, if he was alive today and leading us, would have created a better healthcare system.